What's it called? Canton, Akron?
Canton, Akron. Just call it Canton. Or,
yeah, I'm going to call it Canton.
Or Akron, one of the two.
Canton. So the route, we're looking at CTR HNK.
It's going to be
Logan
2 departure.
So Logan 2
to whatever Charlie Tango Romeo transition is.
TR.
It's Chester.
Transition to HNK.
Yep, which is Hancock.
Chester.
We'll most likely expect 3,000 based on the SID.
Okay.
And that's all we know.
Okay. And yeah, it'll give us departure frequency too. Okay. Cool. Scary.
It's intimidating, isn't it?
Big airport, yeah. Where are we, Boston?
Boston clearance.
Boston clearance, Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet looking to pick up our IFR to Canton.
Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet Boston, clearance delivery. Cleared to the Canton Airport via the Logan to departure to glide, then as filed. Climb via the SID, squawk 3575.
Alright, cleared to Canton via the Logan 2 departure to glide, then as filed, climb to this via the SID, transponder 3575.
Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, read back correct. Advise this frequency when you're ready to taxi.
Will advise and ready. 9 Romeo Juliet.
Clearance, good afternoon, Endeavor 3473. We've
Wonderful.
got
Cool.
Whiskey Highland departure off runway 9.
Now we're good.
Ready to push off the Alpha.
Good. Kelly Avionics.
Endeavor 347.
Okay. And when you said climb via the SID, that's what you're talking about, 3,000?
Yeah, the props are saying 3,000.
Okay.
So that's going to be climb via.
And do we have a frequency you can expect at all? Show a departure frequency.
Yes. 133.0.
Boston, clearance delivery Whiskey's current contact the ramp to push. Have a good flight.
Okay.
And 3,000.
Boston Logan Airport HS information Whiskey 1754 Zulu. Wind 090 at 12. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 3,000, 4,500 scattered. Ceiling tube 2,000 broken. Temperature 2.0. Altimeter 3003. Approaches are being conducted to parallel runways. ILS runway 4 right approach and visual approach to runway 4 left in use. Departing runway 9er, runway 33 right is approved. Return off after
Runway
landing.
9er departing.
Land and hold short operations in effect on runway 4 left. Expect the full length of the runway unless advised otherwise. All aircraft read Michael hold short instructions and assigned altitudes.
Good.
Yep.
Runway 10 lights are in use.
And I should
then
grab this pad for taxi instructions.
I got you with that one.
Oh, you sure?
I'll write it down as you go. You just read it back. I'll help you out. And then when you're ready to roll, give a flash of the land light to our guy up front so he knows we're moving.
Okay.
We'll give him a call.
Boston clearance, Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet has information Whiskey ready to taxi.
Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, thank you. You can monitor ground point 9er now. Have a good flight.
Monitor ground point 9, thank you, 9 Romeo Juliet. Monitor, so we're just hanging out till they call us.
Yep, and that's,
Yeah, 121.
yeah, 0.9, cool.
November 779 Romeo Juliet Boston ground runway 4 left taxi via Bravo Echo.
Runway 4 left, taxi via Bravo Echo, 9 Romeo Juliet. Okay. Flash the guy.
He says hold. Oh, no, we're good.
United 511, monitor tower 128.8.
28.8, United 511.
Endeavor 3473, get rid of that United and monitor tower 128.8.
Get rid of that United.
United and monitor 28. Okay.
Man, that 350 is so big.
It's crazy.
Ground JetBlue 260, clear on Quebec Park, gate 31.
JetBlue 260, Boston ground, taxi via Alpha.
Alpha, JetBlue 260.
November 9er, Romeo Juliet, give way to 2 JetBlues at Quebec.
Give way to 2 JetBlues in Quebec, 9 Juliet.
Another big plane coming in.
Oh yeah, look at that. Gigantic.
Ground number 62.
330.
Number 6280, Boston ground, runway 9er.
It's like a
taxi via
Turkish
Kilo.
Airlines.
Hold short, runway 4 left.
Runway 9er, BS Kilo, Charo, runway 4 left, Limber 6.
Oh no, it's a Portuguese airline.
What did they say we're going to? Runway 4?
4 left. Yeah,
Four left.
I changed it to 4 on here.
Oh, perfect. Okay,
as
cool.
well, so we're good to go.
Right.
Clear, clear, clear.
Clear, clear. Gave way. Portugal.
Mm-hmm.
November 9, Romeo Juliet, monitor tower 128.8.
Monitor tower 128.8, 9 Juliet. Yeah.
0779 Romeo Juliet Boston Tower, traffic is crossing downfield, runway 4 left, line up and wait.
Runway 4 left, line up and wait, 9 Juliet.
Alright, approach head is clear. Lane lights are on, everything looks good to go.
Good to go.
Bug gear runway heading.
Portugal 217 heavy on November, cross runway 15 left, hold short of runway 15 right.
On November, cross runway 15 left, hold short 04 right, Portugal 217 heavy.
Portugal 217 heavy on November, you hold short of 15 right.
On November, hold short 15 right, Portugal 217 heavy.
There's 9 Romeo Juliet, turn left heading 280, runway 4 left, you're clear for takeoff.
Left at 280, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff, 9 Juliet.
And a hold.
Portugal 217 heavy, as you pass 15 left, count it
Gauge
ground
is in the green.
0.9.
Speed's
15
alive.
left, ground 0.9, Portugal 217 heavy.
Caps is active. Roger. Above 500, turn left 280. Gauge is in the green.
There's 9 Romeo Juliet, turn left heading 270, contact departure, we'll see you.
Left at 270, contact departure, 9 Juliet, see you. Boston departure, Cirrus 779 Romeo Juliet, turning left to heading 280 assigned, 1,400 there for 3,000.
779 Romeo Juliet, Boston departure, radar contact, climb maintain 4,000.
Climb maintain 4,000 on Romeo Juliet.
JetBlue 889, climb and maintain 14,000, contact Boston Center 133.42.
Awesome.
3342 up to 14,000. JetBlue 889,
Alright,
good day.
on our way. So she said climb via the SID.
Yep.
Which is the clearance. So when you check in, that's something you can shorten it up with that. If they tell you to climb via the SID,
Okay.
you can just say turning left 270, climb via the SID.
Alright, so
And that way she knows that you're going to be complying
with that, unless they give you a different
unless they give you a different
instruction.
instruction.
Got it. Thank you.
That's more so if you lose communications right after takeoff.
Yeah, they know what your plan of action is.
They can, yeah, they'll expect to do that.
Climb to 14,000, JetBlue 1685.
Number 9 Romeo Juliet, proceed direct glide.
Proceed direct glide, 9 Romeo Juliet. Great view of Boston, Harvard.
Alrighty.
Number 9 Romeo Juliet, climb and maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Climb, maintain 10, 10,000, 9 Romeo Juliet.
That was awesome.
1685, contact Boston.
That was like smooth.
Very smooth.
Very easy.
3342,
Make it look like we do that every day.
Yes, sir.
Number 6280, climb and maintain.
I love that there's like a
14,000,
Dreamliner like
contact
landing or, you know, a
10.6.
777. They're looking out the left like, hey, look at that guy.
Yeah. Yep.
That's right. Look what a Cirrus can do.
Yeah, look what instrument rating can help you.
Yes. Yeah.
Gee, it makes everything so much
Oh.
simpler going to those kind of airports.
Absolutely.
That looks like that's Bedford over there.
Yep. Yeah, it was only 14 nautical miles from Boston. It was going to be an easy hop, and it was clear this morning, even of these clouds here. So, but still, that was more intense without the IFR option. Because even if I had to move it, if I had my rating, I'd just file IFR for the thing and just be like, boop, there you go.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Well, thanks for the quick flip.
Yeah, no worries.
That's it just got crazy all of a sudden. But United sent out. Did you get the emails and
Yeah,
texts?
you forwarded that one to me, the weather one.
Yeah. So people start getting that. We were at dinner last night. Phone started.
Departure JetBlue 1027 through 700.
Because it depends on your setting of how you want them to communicate with you. But a lot of people have text. So all these texts are coming through from United saying
maintain 8,000.
inclement weather.
Up to 8,000.
And so United waived all the change fees. So when I changed your ticket, it didn't cost me anything.
Oh, sweet.
Because of the weather coming in. So they knew it was going to happen. And then one by one, the airlines started following American, United. Just all these flights started getting canceled already. So
Oh, really? Wow.
yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Well.
I mean, you can see out there. It's sitting out in like the Atlantic, just going to sweep and just crush.
Yeah. Yeah.
Giant low pressure system.